Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot and share on iPhone without actually saving the screenshot in your gallery or Photos app. If you use social media a lot and you don't have enough storage on your iPhone, you don't want to be clogging up so many screenshots or various things in your gallery, and you just want the screenshot not to be saved when you share the screenshot to anyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's take a screenshot right now. What I have to do is to click on the screenshot and click on this button at the top right corner to share. Now click on the person you want to share the screenshot. Maybe I'm going to use Telegram and share the screenshot to, let me just send it to myself on Telegram. Click on send. After sending the picture to anyone you want to send it to, you click on the X button at the top left corner. This way, the screenshot won't be saved. So if I go to my gallery right now and scroll down, you can see that the screenshot is not saved anywhere in my gallery. So that's how you share screenshots on iPhone without saving them in your Photos app. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.